everyone, and welcome back to our channel. To all of our new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope everyone is staying safe through this difficult time. So as you can see, I will be showing you how to dip the pineapple slices which are in the can. So I will be dipping them into white chocolate. You do not have to use this color. This was just my choice. But you will need to drain and remove the pineapples from the can, which as you can see I already did. I'm using one that's in the heavy serve, and I'm also using one that's in 100% pineapple juice, which explains the two different colors. Now you want to take a paper towel and just press gently onto the pineapples to get rid of the rest of the juice. Once that is complete, you want to place them on parchment paper and let them freeze solid for about 2 to 3 hours. Hey guys, so this is how the pineapples look after being in the freezer for a few hours. As you can see, they are solid and ready for dipping. If you want to see how I melted my chocolate, I have a how to dip chocolate covered strawberries video up, and I'll also place the link in the description down below. So now that we have our pineapples covered in chocolate, I would like to mention this. The more frozen your pineapples are, the more better the chocolate will stick. Don't worry about the messy chocolate drippings all on the baking sheet. Just place in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove, and you can easily remove the excess chocolate. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. Stay safe, well, and I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.
Mm-hmm.